I'm not sure you can see it in the video, but it's just super windy out here. It's like a sandstorm. I just drove through here about 10 minutes ago through the sand, and already my tracks are almost covered up by the sand blowing. So interesting. It's just super windy day here at Point Venture on the beach. Hope it doesn't blow all our sand out into the water. The good thing is it covers up all the ruts in the sand and stuff. Makes it look nicer out here. Alright, I'm going to head back up to Dune. Very thankful for four-wheel drive. Seatbelt warning. You see that's it. A windy day today out at the park.